My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Bachelor of Commerce 4th semester subject Web Technologies as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Unit 3, the important short question is: 1. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a powerful and easy-to-learn programming language used to make websites interactive and dynamic. While HTML builds the structure and CSS styles the page, JavaScript brings it to life like adding buttons that work, forms that check inputs, image sliders, games, and more. Simple example. Button on click is equal to alert, hello Indian students. Click me button. When you click the button, a pop-up message appears. That's JavaScript in action. What can JavaScript do? Show messages or alerts. Change text or colors. Create image sliders or animations. Validate forms, like checking if a name is entered. Easy tip to remember. HTML is the body. CSS is the dress. JavaScript is the brain. It makes your website think and react. JavaScript is used in almost every modern website. Learning it opens doors to fun projects and creative web apps. Next important short question is: 2 variables. What are variables in JavaScript? A variable is like a container or a box used to store data in JavaScript. You can put numbers, text, or other values in it and use them later in your program. Think of it like naming your tiffin box. You can open it anytime and get what's inside. How to declare a variable? Let name is equal to Rahul. Let age is equal to 18. Let is used to create a variable. Rahul is a string text. 18 is a number. You can use the variable again. Alert, hello, plus name shows, hello, Rahul. Easy tip to remember. Variables is equal to boxes with labels. You can store, change, and use the values anytime you want, just like using labeled jars in your kitchen. Variables make your code smarter and easier to manage. Next important short question is: 3. Array. What is an array in JavaScript? An array is like a container or a list that can hold multiple values in one place. Instead of creating many variables, you can store all related items in one array. Imagine an array as a dabba with compartments. Each section holds a different item. Example. Let fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. Here, fruits is an array that holds 3 fruit names. Accessing items. Console.log, fruits, 0, output, apple. Console.log, fruits, 2, output, mango. Arrays start counting from 2000, not 1. Easy tip to remember. Array is equal to multi-compartment box. Use it when you want to store a group of similar items like names, numbers, or colors. Arrays help you organize data better and make coding clean and easy. Next important short question is: 4. What is DOM, Document Object Model? The DOM is like a bridge between HTML and JavaScript. It lets JavaScript see and change the content, structure, and style of a webpage. Imagine your webpage as a family tree. Each element, like headings, paragraphs, buttons, is a member in the tree, and the DOM helps JavaScript find and change them. Example. PID is equal to MSG hello P. Script. Document.getElementBead MSG.innerHTML is equal to Namaste. Script. The JavaScript finds the paragraph using the DOM and changes its text to Namaste. Why DOM is useful? Change text or images. Show or hide elements. React to user clicks. Update style dynamically. Easy tip to remember. DOM is equal to JavaScript's remote control for the webpage. It helps JavaScript talk to HTML and make websites dynamic and interactive just like magic. Next important short question is 5. What is event handling in JavaScript? Event handling means telling your webpage what to do when something happens, like when a user clicks a button, moves the mouse, types something, or presses a key. It's like giving your webpage ears and eyes so it can respond to users. Simple example. Button on click is equal to greet, click me button. Script. Function greet. Alert, hello, Indian student. Script. Here, when you click the button, the function greet runs and shows a message. That's event handling in action. Common events. On click when user clicks. On mouse over when mouse moves over. On key down when a key is pressed. Ochange when input changes. Easy tip to remember. Events is equal to actions. Event handling is equal to reactions. Just like clapping when a performance ends, your code reacts to what users do. Next unit 3 important long questions. First important long question is 1. What is client-side and server-side scripting? Explain the features. What is client-side and server-side scripting? Websites use scripting to make pages work, interact, and respond to users. There are two main types, client-side and server-side scripting. Let's understand both in simple words. Client-side scripting. Client-side scripting runs on the user's browser, like Chrome, Firefox. It makes the webpage interactive without going back to the server. Think of it like a calculator app on your phone. Everything happens on your device. Features. Runs in the browser. Fast and interactive. Doesn't need internet after the page is loaded. Examples: JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Example. When you click a button and text changes instantly, that's client-side scripting. Button on click is equal to alert, hello. Click me button. Server-side scripting. Server-side scripting runs on the web server. It processes user requests, accesses databases, and sends the final result back to the browser. Think of it like ordering food online. The restaurant server prepares your meal and sends it to you. Features. Runs on the server. Can access databases. Used for login, data saving, and more. Examples: PHP, Python, Node.js, ASP.NET. Example. When you log into a website and your account details are shown, that's server-side scripting. Easy tip to remember. Client-side is equal to work done on your device, fast, looks cool. Server-side is equal to work done on the website's server, secure, powerful. Just like in a restaurant. Client-side is you setting the table. Server-side is the kitchen preparing the food. Both work together to give you a complete, smooth website experience. Next important long question is 2. Explain the data types supported by JavaScript. JavaScript data types made simple. In JavaScript, data types tell us what kind of value a variable holds, like a label on a container. Let's learn the main data types. 1. Number. Used to store any numeric value, integers or decimals. Let age is equal to 20. Let price is equal to 99.99. Think of it like storing marks or money. 2. String. Used to store text inside quotes. Let name is equal to Arav. Let city is equal to Mumbai. Like writing your name or message on a page. 3. Boolean. Stores only two values, true or false. Let is student is equal to true. Let is past is equal to false. Useful for yes-no type answers. 4. Undefined. A variable that is declared but not given a value. Let x. Console.log, output undefined. Like an empty glass with no water yet. 5. Null. Represents nothing or an empty value on purpose. Let y is equal to null. Like saying there's no value here. 6. Object. Used to store multiple values in one variable using key-value pairs. Let student is equal to name Ria. Age 18. Grade A. Think of it like a student's record card. 7. Array. A list of values in a single variable. Let fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. Like a basket holding multiple fruits. Easy tip to remember. Number, string, boolean, undefined, null, object, array. Is equal to JavaScript's 7 friends who help handle all kinds of data. Each one has its role, like a team, making your code smart and flexible. Next important long question is 3. What is operator? Explain different types of operators in JavaScript. What is an operator in JavaScript? In JavaScript, an operator is a symbol that performs an action on values or variables. It helps to calculate, compare, or assign values. Think of operators like the tools in a toolbox, each one does a specific job. Types of operators in JavaScript. 1. Arithmetic operators. Used to do basic math operations. Let A is equal to 10. Let B is equal to 5. Console.log, A plus B, 15. Console.log, A, B, 5. Console.log, A asterisk B, 50. Console.log, A, B, 2. Console.log, A%B, 0, remainder. Like using a calculator. 2. Assignment operators. Used to assign values to variables. Let x is equal to 10 is equal to assigns 10 to x. X plus is equal to 5, x is equal to x plus 5, x becomes 15. X asterisk is equal to 2, x is equal to x asterisk, 2x becomes 30. Like putting something into a box. 3. Comparison operators. Used to compare two values and return true or false. Let A is equal to 10. Let B is equal to 20. Console.log, A is equal to B, false. Console.log, A is equal to B, true. Console.log, A, B, true. Console.log, A is equal to B, false. Useful in decision-making, if conditions. 4. Logical operators. Used to combine multiple conditions. Let age is equal to 18. Console.log, age 17 and age 25 true. Console.log, age 20 vertical bar age 18 false. Console.log, age is equal to 18 false. Like using and or not in English. Easy tip to remember. Arithmetic is equal to do math. Assignment is equal to set value. Comparison is equal to check things. Logical is equal to combine conditions. Operators are like traffic signals, they guide your program where to go and what to do. Next important long question is 4. What is conditional statement? Write about the different types of conditional statements in JavaScript. What is a conditional statement in JavaScript? A conditional statement is used when you want your program to make decisions. It tells the computer, if this is true, do this. Otherwise, do something else. It works just like how we think in daily life. If it rains, I will take an umbrella. Else, I will wear sunglasses. Why use conditional statements? To perform different actions based on different conditions. Types of conditional statements in JavaScript. 1. If statement. Used to run code only if a condition is true. Let age is equal to 18. If age is equal to 18. Console.log, you are an adult. 2. If-else statement. Runs one block if the condition is true and another if it is false. Let marks is equal to 35. If marks is equal to 40. Console.log, pass. Else. Console.log, fail. 3. If-else statement. Used when you have multiple conditions. Let score is equal to 75. If score is equal to 90. Console.log, grade A. Else if score is equal to 60. Console.log, grade B. Else. Console.log, grade C. 4. Switch statement. Best when you have many exact values to check. Let day is equal to 3. Switch day. Case 1, console.log, Monday, break. Case 2, console.log, Tuesday, break. Case 3, console.log, Wednesday, break. Default, console.log, another day. Easy tip to remember. Conditional statements is equal to question askers. They help your program decide what to do next, just like you decide what to wear based on the weather. They make your website smart and responsive to user input. Next important long question is 5. Explain about looping statements in JavaScript. What are looping statements in JavaScript? Looping statements in JavaScript are used to repeat a block of code again and again until a certain condition is met. Instead of writing the same code multiple times, we use loops to save time and make code shorter. Just like a washing machine repeats the wash cycle automatically, loops repeat code automatically. Why use loops? To repeat tasks, like printing numbers, checking items in a list. To reduce code size. To run code until a condition becomes false. Types of looping statements. 1. For loop. Used when you know how many times you want to repeat. For, let I is equal to 1, I happy smiley 5, I plus plus. Console.log, hello plus I. Prints hello 5 times. 2. While loop. Used when the number of repetitions is not fixed. Let I is equal to 1. While, I happy smiley 3. Console.log, count plus I. I plus plus. Repeats until condition becomes false. 3. Do while loop. Same as while loop, but runs at least once even if the condition is false. Let I is equal to 1. Do. Console.log, number plus I. I plus plus. While 2. Easy tip to remember. For loop is equal to use when you know how many times to loop. While loop is equal to use when the condition may change. Do while loop is equal to runs at least once no matter what. Loops is equal to time-saving machines. They repeat your code just like a song on loop until you stop it. Loops are super useful when working with arrays, data, and repeated tasks. Next important long question is 6. Explain in detail about date and math object in JavaScript. Date and math objects in JavaScript. In JavaScript, date and math are built-in objects that help you work with dates, times, and mathematical calculations. Let's understand these two powerful tools. 1. Date object in JavaScript. The date object is used to work with dates and times. You can create, manipulate, and format dates in your programs. Creating a date. To create a date object, you can use the newDate method. Let current date is equal to new date. Console.log current date displays current date and time. Working with date methods. Get the current year. Let year is equal to new date dot get full year. Console.log year 2025 current year. Get the current month. 0 is equal to January, 1 is equal to February, etc. Let month is equal to new date dot get month. Console.log month 3 April, since months start from 2000. Set a specific date. Let specific date is equal to new date 2023 11 25 25th December 2023. Console.log specific date. Date object is like a calendar to track and manipulate dates and times. 2. Math object in JavaScript. The math object provides built-in methods to handle mathematical operations. It can help you perform calculations without writing complex formulas from scratch. Common math methods. Finding the square root. Let sqrt value is equal to math.sqrt 16. Console.log sqrt value 4. Getting the largest number from a set of numbers. Let max value is equal to math.max 5, 10, 2, 8. Console.log max value 10. Rounding numbers. Let rounded value is equal to math.round 4.6. Console.log rounded value 5. Generating random numbers. Let random value is equal to math.random, a random number between 0 and 1. Console.log random value. Easy tip to remember. Date is equal to your personal calendar to manage dates and times. Math is equal to your calculator for performing math tasks. With the date object, you can work with time and dates, while the math object helps you solve complex calculations easily. I hope you understand easily each question. All the best, students, for your upcoming exam. For other subject quick revision. Important questions. Previous question papers. And syllabus. Links are available in description. Check out once. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video with your friends.